These are some of the strangest, most unusual, most enchanting to behold, and sometimes most frightening ones you are ever likely to see weather phenomena around the world. Catatumbo lightning. This is a rare weather phenomena that produces the most spectacular light shows. It occurs only over the mouth of the Catatumbo River where it empties into Lake Maracaibo. The unique geography of the place causes cool mountain breezes to join with the warm humid air over the lake. The result is lightning storms, lots of them. These massive stream of lightning occurs 140 to 160 nights a year, 10 hours per day and up to 280 times per hour. White rainbows. White rainbows or fogbows, which resemble normal rainbows with the color leached out, emerge from fog that is thin enough to be pierced by sunlight. Fogbows are much the same as rainbow, always opposite the sun, but fogbows are caused by the small droplets inside a fog or cloud rather than larger raindrops. Fire tornadoes. These are described as fire twisters. These hellish cyclones of flame occur mainly during forest fires combined with rare weather conditions that involve strong winds and intense heat. Fire tornadoes are rare but are being recorded more often in recent years. The temperature inside them can reach over 1000 degrees. Sprites. Lightning sprites get their name from Shakespeare's A Midsummer Night's Dream, specifically, from the sprite puck. They are large-scale electrical discharges that occur high above thunderstorm clouds. They are usually triggered by the discharges of positive lightning between an underlying thundercloud and the ground. The sprites form at irregularities in the plasma, or charged particles of gas, in the ionosphere. Microbursts. A microburst is a localized column of sinking air, downdraft, within a thunderstorm and is usually less than or equal to 2.5 miles in diameter. Some microbursts can pose a threat to life and property, but all microbursts pose a significant threat to aviation. Although microbursts are not as widely recognized as tornadoes, they can cause comparable, and in some cases, worse damage than some tornadoes produce. In fact, wind speeds as high as 150 miles per hour are possible in extreme microburst cases. FALLSTREAK holes. A FALLSTREAK hole is a large gap, usually circular or elliptical, that can appear in cirrocumulus or altocumulus clouds. The holes are caused by supercooled water in the clouds suddenly evaporating, and may be triggered by passing aircraft. FALLSTREAK holes have been mistaken for or attributed to unidentified flying objects because of their rarity and unusual appearance. KELVIN-HELMHOLTZ waves. Kelvin-Helmholtz waves are vertical waves in the atmosphere generated by wind shear. These weird, uniform clouds get their name from Lord Kelvin and Hermann von Helmholtz, who studied the effects of velocity difference between fluids. This is also the same effect that can be seen around Jupiter's red spot and the bands around Saturn. Kelvin-Helmholtz clouds. You are essentially seeing two layers of air moving at different speeds, the upper layer moving faster than the lower layer. Waterspouts. Despite its name, a waterspout is not filled with water from the ocean or lake. A waterspout is a column of rotating, cloud-filled wind. A waterspout descends from a cumulus cloud to an ocean or a lake. Waterspouts have the same characteristics as a land-based tornado but are usually smaller and less intense. Cappuccino coasts. This event is known as the Cappuccino Coast because the frothy ocean mixture resembled the foam at the top of a cappuccino. When large blooms of algae decay offshore, great amounts of decaying algal matter often wash ashore. Foam forms as this organic matter is churned up by the surf. Most seafoam is not harmful to humans and is often an indication of a productive ocean ecosystem. Volcanic lightning. Volcanic lightning is a visually incredible, naturally occurring phenomenon that has been witnessed and documented in nearly 200 eruptions over the last 200 years. Volcanic lightning arises when small particles of volcanic material colliding with one another at high speeds. These collisions can result in separation of charges in the volcanic cloud that result in lightning. Thank you for watching and see you again for more interesting videos.